Hello everyone, very good morning. Welcome back. This is to announce a new Power BI batch starting from next week, Tuesday, October 5th, 2021. There are no major changes in the content. Content remains more or less same. And there are a few things to be added, which I'll cover in the classes, like recent updates from Microsoft in the last couple of months within Power BI. And apart from that, there are no any major changes in the content. So we start with SQL Server Basics, then we move on to Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service, and we'll discuss on Power BI admin part. I'm not going to cover in detail in this video because already in the last video I've told what are these things and what and all we discuss in the classes. So I'll leave that link in the description or in the end cards. So please go through that. And if you want to see this Power BI report, I'm going to paste the link in the description. So please click on the link and you can see the same view that I'm currently presenting to you. And you can go through all the tabs and see the content. Next, we move on to Power BI Report Server, which is on-prem deployment. Few companies use this. Then DAX, I've discussed already. We are not going to cover complete DAX. What all the content we discuss in the classes are more than sufficient to secure a job by yourself. And next we move on to Power BI Report Builder, which is paginated reports. We'll discuss some basics on this as well. Then we'll move on to analysis services like on-premises tabular model and cloud Azure analysis services. And also we'll cover something in Power Automate, which is part of Power BI service. So these things anyway we'll see in Power BI service. So this is the content most of you know already. And these are the things I would like to make you understand. So we'll have 1.5 hours a day, and Friday, Saturday we'll have 2 hours session in the morning, and it will take 7 weeks and 70 to 75 hours of content. So first 4 weeks it will be regular sessions, and last 3 weeks it will be regular sessions, and Saturday it will be only interview, resume preparations and project discussions dedicated for these things. And I'll be giving 2 Power BI Pro and Premium Producer accounts for you to practice once we start Power BI service. And yes, all the data sources that I've used and I'll be sharing with you, and also all the recordings I'll be sharing with you for your reference. So please go through this again, and if anyone interested, please reach out to me in the WhatsApp if you're interested to join the classes. So as I said earlier, I'm not taking any demo sessions. Right from day one, it is actual class only. If you want to see how I teach and how I deliver the sessions, please go through the videos available in the YouTube channel itself. There are more than 15 videos. I think that would be really sufficient for you to analyze whether I am right fit for you or not. So please go through that. And anyone are interested, please reach out to me in WhatsApp, or you can directly send an email if you want to know more details. So yes, next week we are going to start a new batch. And that's all I have for today. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.